Brookie, what do you think?
It was angling. I put it a little far back.
You think you hit it good?
It felt good. Hey, Dad. The reason I was waiting the whole time it was in.
I know.
And that thing was looking, that other one was looking at me. I couldn't go back.
Brooke, you played it perfectly. That big one spotted you. I thought it was over with.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, good shot, girl. Well,
It feels good, but
you got it up there, Brookie?
yep.
It didn't go far, did it?
Down.
Great. Oh, nice hit. Nice hit. Perfect. Man, that is exactly what you said you did. Brooke,
Oh, thanks.
you lay it down there. Man, I'll tell you what. That was absolutely perfect. That was the only shot you had. I mean, that angle was it.
Oh, Dad, look at all this thing.
Yeah, oh yeah. Huh. Well, girl, congratulations.
Thanks.
That was awesome. Got any words for the camera?
God is good.
He is good. He is good. Okay, well let's get this thing gutted out and we'll get it out of here. Looks like a 1.5-year old doe. Did you see how big and dark the one was that came in with it?
I wanted that one, but
That was a big doe. But I knew once it spotted you.
yep.
It
Because I was
over.
gonna pull on that one 20 yards, and because I was getting tired of this one not giving me a shot, so I pulled back on that one. Well, I got like this on that one, not all the way back. Spotted me, started stomping. I was like, oh crap, this is over. And then it looked down for like 5 seconds, drew back on this one.
I
Gave me
saw
an angle.
and this one was looking at the older one.
Yep.
And this one kind of took a step backwards like, oh boy, I got to get out of here. And then you whacked him. Or whacked her, I should say. All right, great. Well, let's get this packed up and we'll get it out of here. Way to go, girl.
Thanks.